Today I want to mess around with some taskbar settings, show you a couple things that you can do if you find the taskbar distracting or something like that. If stuff like this is helpful, go ahead and subscribe. One thing we're going to do is we're going to come down to the bottom to the taskbar and we're going to right click. And right here you can see taskbar settings. Go ahead and click that. And then right here we're going to come to taskbar behaviors. Click that. And it's going to have a little drop down menu for us here. You can kind of see what this does. If you're trying to get rid of your taskbar, that's the button for you right there. Automatically hide taskbar. You can see it drops away. Unclick that. And then you can come down here and show your badges if you want. You can start or stop flashing for like notifications. You can have it turned off for certain displays. So if you're browsing the web or using a different application, click this and it'll go away when that application's open. Just a few things to try out and see what best fits your taste. And another thing to check out is in your personalization menu. Click that. Come to colors. And you have your transparency effect. So if you toggle that off and on, you can see how that's making it look like the taskbar is transparent when it's turned on. So yeah, just a couple of things I wanted to point out, show you guys. Let us know if you like it, leave a comment, give the video a like, and we'll see you in the next one.